Hi, Mike. Thanks for joining me today.
You're welcome.
And so what I want to talk to you about in this video is there's been a really big focus on improving the carbon footprint for various industrial industries. And oil analysis plays a pretty big role in helping that. So could you talk through how oil analysis will actually help different companies improve their carbon footprint?
Sure. Probably the biggest way is what we do is the biggest benefit, the first benefit that you realize doing oil analysis, that you can extend the oil change outs on your machinery. So you may have been accustomed to changing the oil every single year on all your equipment because that's what you've always done. That's what the manufacturer said to do. So that's what you've done. Well, once you implement an oil program, the oil reports will give you the data that tells you when to change the oil. So there's no need to change the oil every year. It could be 2 years, it could be 3 years, or sometimes it goes on forever. I've seen equipment that's had the same oil in it for 10, 15 years because the oil's just fine. It's funny, I was recently at a trade show, 2 weeks ago we were at a trade show, and one of our customers is an oil distributor that buys oil from one of the major lube suppliers, and she was telling me that their ability to get oil is so difficult anymore because of the whole supply chain issue. She had put in a order for 10 drums of turbine oil, and the supplier came back and said, we can only give you 5. We are now putting people on allocation schedules because we don't have a supply of the oil. And she said the price has gone up 7 times just this year. So, those are conditions you don't want to experience as a customer who has to change your oil. I mean, one, it's so much more expensive to get it, and it's hard to get it. So really, the oil analysis program will tell you when to change your oil and really help you with the carbon footprint.
Yeah, that's exactly it. And I think that's the big benefit here, especially with everything that's happened in 2020 and now 2021 between prices and difficulty getting supplies for everyone.
Sure.
So if you want to look into the aspects of an oil analysis program that are important and know which questions to ask when looking for a vendor for this, we have the Illuminate ebook, and we're going to provide that link to download that with the description of this video. Thanks, Mike.
You're welcome.